a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, central Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southeast of Muscoda to 6 miles east of Dodgeville to 6 miles north of Winslow, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fitchburg, Verona, Mount Horeb, Dodgeville, Belleville, Brooklyn, Barneveld, Blue Mounds, Highland, Dayton, Ridgeway, Paoli, Governor Dodge St. Park, Blue Mountain St. Park, Mount Vernon, Black Hawk Lake Rec Area, and Pine Bluff. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south-central Wisconsin. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south-central Wisconsin.